Kasin Dominic Secondary School Mawkyndeng ha kasan Tarik Nailur kalapelong ye Teachers Day celebration ke ishongkun. Nongpyniaid School bakynthup yo Rev Phadar Rapthap Principal, Rev Phadar Henrie Warbah Vice Principal, Rev Sister Merciful Nongsiej Sister in Charge, Nonghikai teaching and non-teaching staff but Khynnah Skul naduh Class 5 haduh Class 12 kila bynta da jingshongshit but jingkmen hagini sngi. Sdang ye program the Thanksgiving Mass yo Blei ubala kyrdoh haga jingiaid lynti Jong shlem start St. Dominic Secondary School Mawkyndeng. Hadin ka Mass Bakhuid, lapan bot sa dagi program be itanak bat basyok mensin. Lapan waye Cl Kmen hakini sngi da jingiabam sngi krui kumshi hisang.
Choose. A very fine and pleasant morning to dear Father Principal, Father Henrie, brothers, sisters, my beloved teachers, and to all my dear friends. I stand here on behalf of all the students.
To my friends present here today, we the Class 10 students, we would like to present you a song, and the title of the song is Proud of You by Khynnah Skul. This song is an anthem of love, support, and self-belief. The lyrics paint a vivid picture of nurturing relationships where love acts as a catalyst for personal growth and empowerment. The recurring imagery of flying symbolizes the freedom and confidence that come from being loved and supported. The song's protagonist feels uplifted and capable of achieving great heights, both metaphorically and literally, thanks to the unwavering support of a loved one, and that is you, our dearest teachers.
To the left,